What is up? Today, February 18th, and we are in Atlanta, back again. And this is the Daily Journal. I'm Vic. Today, we're at the White Windmill. It's a Korean bakery. We're gonna get some coffee, we're gonna get some treats, maybe some food. It's a little on the brunch side of things. There's a few locations, but this is the main one off BUFORD Highway, if you're familiar with Atlanta. Let's go in, I'm excited to go. I'm bringing you along. Let's go in. It's a little cloudy and cold today. Oh my God, look at all this stuff. It's so good. All this stuff is baked fresh. It's so good. Look at that. Look at that croissant. So the croissants here are $3.80. A bit on the pricey side. Look at the size of that thing. Okay, so I'm gonna try some of the croissant. Oh, that's good. It's obviously what you want in a croissant as far as flaky texture. About the taste. It's unbelievable. I'm not even exaggerating. Might actually be the best croissant I've ever tasted. That is so good. That's a DT. Wow, that's an amazing croissant. Then of course, I had to try their coffee, and this is a large white mocha, their version of a white mocha. Already it looks pretty good. Okay, so if all the pastries were that good, holy crap, what's this gonna taste like? That'd be a total disappointment if the coffee wasn't good. Let's see. Oh, come on. Okay, so you guys know how much I hate bitter coffee, but this is really well balanced. The coffee itself is pretty smooth, not too sweet, but sweet enough. And then you still have the taste of the coffee. It's not overwhelming by the sweetness and the milk. So it's definitely a DT. A really good combination with all the pastries as well. So far this place has been beyond amazing. I also got this pastry. I think it's pronounced Choux cream bread. Okay, let's give this a try. I think it's cream cheese, hopefully. I don't know. I won't even guess. Let's see. The bread is good. It's kind of like on the sweet side. I haven't got any of the cream yet. Okay, there we go. The first initial bite, I was kind of teetering on like a 4. But wow, once you get into the center of it, it's really, really good. It's actually a custard. It's like a vanilla custard. So I don't want to say the bread is super sweet. It's soft, and it's hard to describe. I've never really had that type of bread before, but it's a slightly sweet. It kind of has the texture of brioche. It sounds weird to have vanilla custard in it, because it's not even like a super sweet, because the bread's already sweet. So you got two things that are slightly on the sweet side, and together rounds off the sweetness, if that even makes sense. And that combination together really makes this a DT. Then we got a large ginger honey tea. Piping hot, looks pretty good. Okay, then we got a tea, ginger honey tea. Oh wow. I'm not really a ginger fan, but that's pretty good. Damn, that's a DT too. The ginger's strong, but not too strong, because the honey actually does help with the flavoring on it. You get that bite at the end because it is ginger at the back of your throat. I mean, I would recommend it if you're kind of feeling under the weather. I've never had anything like that before. That's really good. I highly recommend that as well. It's pretty much on the same level as the coffee. The fact that I'm not a ginger fan and I like it that much should speak volumes of how good that tea is. Okay, so this is Choux cream goldfish. So they come in groups of 10, and this will run you $12.99. Okay, they told us that this is the first batch that they made, so it's a fresh catch. The first catch of the day. I've never had this before, so this looks pretty good. Oh my God. This is unbelievably good. This is beyond good. How many times can you say good? Whoa. It's like a waffle texture and taste with that choux cream. Oh my God. This place is so good. This is an absolutely DT. It's, especially since it's hot and literally fresh, they just made it. It's so good. Again, the reason why I like this a lot is it's not too sweet. All these pastries are so good because it's a sweet taste that's not overbearing. This is like the best waffle tasting thing I've ever had. I can't describe how good it is. Not only did I give it a DT, but it's a super high DT. I'm getting this every time I come here. Wow. Man, I really recommend this place. The pastries were amazing. I just had a handful that you guys saw, and I'm sure there's probably another dozen or two that are just as amazing. Not one thing was bad at this place. If you're in the Atlanta area or visiting from somewhere else, look this place up. You must try it. It's so good. Especially all that choux pastries. Those fish. Those fish were so good. I can't believe it. This whole place is a DT. Well, that will do it. I'm gonna get back to it. I can't say any more good things about this place. It's really that good. I'm not even exaggerating. But this is the end of the road for this adventure. We'll see where the next one takes us. We'll see you guys later. Bye.